IMS Legal Strategies ensures your evidence is presented flawlessly. We protect you from technical issues, and our consultants adapt seamlessly to changes. With IMS, you gain the efficiency, confidence, and peace of mind knowing your case will resonate when it matters the most. Today, we're speaking with senior technology consultant Jody Blair, who has more than 15 years of courtroom experience. She assists trial teams with evidence presentation, or what we like to call the hot seat, and last-minute trial graphics. Jody, thanks for coming on today. What's your role in the courtroom?
My job is to ensure that all the evidence is presented in an effective and efficient manner from opening to closings, whether we're presenting exhibits, video designations, or demonstratives. And sometimes we even create last-minute demonstratives and video clips at counsel table, right at the last minute. I ensure that all the technology runs smoothly and there's no break in the flow of the case.
So what's a recent case where a trial team was able to fully utilize your skill set?
I worked on a product liability case a few months back with a larger trial team of about 15 trial attorneys. And there were so many witnesses that the team had to divide them between the multiple attorneys. So I worked with each of the attorneys to prepare their outline for their witnesses, develop the cross-examinations for opposing witnesses. And since the workflow varied with each attorney, adapting to the individual styles was crucial. Every attorney works differently. So we needed to create video designations, present animations of equipment, demonstratives of job sites. We presented some medical records and a significant amount of personal information about some of the witnesses. In surprise, we also had some faulty and aging courtroom equipment, but we were able to fix it, and ultimately everything came together successfully.
How about another example?
Well, one of my favorite cases was an employment case that we did in Pennsylvania, and it involved a young woman who had just graduated from auto mechanic school, and she was working at a nationwide oil change shop. So the case centered around ongoing harassment that she was getting from the male colleagues. And the beautiful thing about this case is, in order to tell the story, we needed to be able to show what was happening. So we were using video depositions, security camera footage, and audio recordings of the conversations between her and some of her male managers. And we really effectively impeached the managers at every opportunity. It actually was just an amazing and fun case. So when the managers denied specific allegations, we countered their claims with the security footage. We also used daily transcripts to highlight the inconsistencies in their trial testimony versus what they said in their depositions. Their stories kept changing and the jury knew it, which just made it amazing. This was a young girl who didn't know what to do about the harassment. It took her a long time to file this claim. And in the end, on the record, the judge commented about how successfully we presented all of the video evidence, and we won the case for our client, and it was just an amazing outcome for her.
What does success look like for you in the courtroom?
So trial attorneys, they're always looking for the most effective way to tell their story. So we enhance the narrative through electronic presentation of evidence, demonstratives, which significantly aid the jury in grasping the complex issues. My goal is to bridge the gap between the attorneys and the jurors and to help them understand our case from the client's perspective. I feel like true success is when the jury experiences that aha moment. So when all the details come together, they finally understand.
And what do you want clients to know when they hire you?
I have 10 years of trial experience as a litigation paralegal and 17 years as a trial technology specialist, so I understand what it takes to perform under pressure. I thrive as a team player, whether I'm a part of a team of 2 where I need to take on more responsibilities behind the scene, or a team of 20. I make it a priority to understand my role and understand the roles of the attorneys so that I can support their collective efforts. Being a part of a trial team is truly unique, and it's often exhilarating.
Jody, thank you for joining me today. For more information about IMS Legal Strategies and our presentation technology services, visit us at imslegal.com or email us at contactus@ims.com.